Lingdong Intelligent Equipment Company, Limited, founded in 2010 and based in Yangtai, Shandong, China, specializes in the design and manufacturing of hydraulic breakers, tilt rotators, and various excavator attachments. Over the past decade, Lingdong has evolved from an OEM supplier for the world's top 10 machinery brands to an industry-recognized manufacturer of technologically advanced equipment, thanks to its focus on independent design, research, and development. With a deep understanding of the evolution of construction machinery and the shift in the infrastructure era, Lingdong has planned and designed a range of hydraulic tilt rotator products. Lingdong's intelligent hydraulic tilt rotators are built with large integrated alloy steel components to ensure reliability. With 3 built-in MCU control boards and a hydraulic control assembly valve blocking the machine body, our tilt rotators, controlled by the independently developed LD wrist system, deliver stable movements and precise handling. Lingdong is the only company in China capable of producing products with functionalities comparable to those of leading global brands. Our intelligent tilt rotators are widely used in municipal pipelines, landscaping, roads, tunnels, bridges, construction and renovation, as well as port handling. They help save labor costs and enhance work efficiency, allowing traditional excavators to perform multiple functions. Given the rising costs associated with aging populations, stricter labor health regulations, and the limitations of standard excavators in meeting the complex maintenance needs of the post-infrastructure era, the widespread adoption of hydraulic tilt rotators is becoming a mainstream trend. With a 90% adoption rate in Northern Europe, there is significant market potential in China and many developing countries. Lingdong's hydraulic tilt rotators are dedicated to providing users with higher productivity and easier construction methods. Lingdong Tilt Rotator. Upgrade your excavator. Make construction effortless.